Alright, we've been simmering for about 5 minutes. Give that a nice going over, and the same with our potatoes. Alright, so let's go back into the oven and pull out our baby bananas. Move the hood and we'll take our temperature down. We're simply going to take little pieces and slice them in. Start here with our chili lime potatoes. You'll see the tomato is just about disintegrated. Get a nice scoop. As dry as you can, just a little bit of the juice. And we'll dump that over the top of our potatoes. So we'll scoop here to make sure that we get some sausage, some chicken, some pork, and our black beans. We'll come and make sure we get some of our baby bananas. And then we'll top just the front of that with our cilantro. So here we are, chili lime potatoes with our chicken, pork, bacon with baby bananas.